Comesa Business Council and High People proudly present the 40 Days 40 FinTechs initiative, a game-changing platform under the Include Everyone program, spotlighting the innovative technologies that are shaping the future of financial inclusivity across Africa. As part of our expansion across the entire Comesa region, we are bringing the 40 Days 40 FinTechs to Zambia and Malawi. This edition is all about highlighting the trailblazers using financial technology to break down digital barriers and empower lives across Zambia and Malawi.
My name is Arthur Muyepa, and I'm the country manager for pawaPay here in Malawi. We are a mobile money aggregator. What that basically means is we enable merchants or customers to collect and disperse funds via mobile money. So we enable merchants. A good example is BetPower, for instance, which is one of our merchants. We enable BetPower customers, so the end users, to deposit money into their betting wallets and then to also collect money from that betting wallet. So it's basically the system that we've built that enables us to do that, and the integration that we have between that system and the mobile money operators, so that's Airtel and Tenam, and then also with the betting system that BetPower is running. We got our license officially last year from the Reserve Bank of Malawi. Before that, there's a process that we go through when you are doing the application, where the bank gives you 6 months to run a pilot to assess or address any issues that they might have. I've been with pawaPay since 2022. In that period, we went essentially from working with one merchant on a tech partner basis, which is BetPower, to now we're serving about 173 merchants in Malawi who are collecting and dispersing, as I said. In that period, a good contrast that I can create is between 2023, we processed about 42 billion Malawi kwacha, which is about 24 million if you're looking at the rates right now. And then last year in 2024, we did about 359 billion, which is around 207 million US dollars. So as you can tell, the scale is there, and also we're growing from year to year. There are a lot of opportunities. As you know, there's a lot of unbanked individuals or people in the country. And looking at the mobile money penetration, it's going up, but it's nowhere near where I believe it should be. So there's a lot of growth there that we're expecting as well to see. I think if you look at the challenges, I think unlike other markets, other mature markets such as Kenya, for instance, where there's a lot of interoperability between the banks and the mobile network operators. I would say we are 80% there, but there's still a lot of work to be done moving funds, for instance, seamlessly between the bank and the mobile network operator, which right now is a bit of a challenge. But I believe they're working on it, and that could open up a lot of opportunities as well in the future. This is a great start. Just giving the platform, for instance, helps not only established institutions like ourselves, but as you mentioned, also the up-and-coming startups. So I think that obviously, I think more events around that space as well. We organize a FinTech Friday, for instance, where we put together our competitors even and other players in the space, just trying to find synergies or trying to find places where we can work together. So I think just creating that space, I think helps. And then just opportunities, platforms. I think we had talked about maybe startups liking funds as well. If there are maybe opportunities to link them with VCs or funders, I think that's something that could help them as well. Malawi is just one of the countries that we're in right now. So we're in 19 countries where we are fully operational. So the best way to reach us is via our website. All the information is there in terms of fees, API documentation, and everything that they need to get started. And we have a very good self-onboarding platform, as I mentioned earlier. So the website is pawapay.io. So pawapay.io.
This financial inclusion revolution is presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, FinTechs, Cyber PLC Academy, and the Moduloop Foundation with generous support from the Gets Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 FinTechs and hashtag Level 1 Projects and be part of building a brighter financial future for all.